Assalamu alaikum, my dear viewers. This particular video is focused on the topic science phenomena in daily life. In our everyday experiences, we often encounter various scientific phenomena that shape our understanding of the world around us. From the simple act of boiling water to the complex interaction of ecosystem, science is intricately woven into the fabric of daily life. This document explores some common scientific phenomena that we observe regularly, highlighting their significance and underlying principles that govern them. First phenomena is the water cycle. The water cycle is the fundamental natural process that describes the continuous movement of water on, above, and below the surface of the earth. It involves several stages: evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and collection. When the sun heats water in rivers, lakes, and oceans, it evaporates into the atmosphere. This water vapor cools and condenses to form clouds, which eventually release precipitation in the form of rain and snow, replenishing water sources. Second phenomena is the photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process by which green plants, algae, and some bacteria convert light energy into chemical energy, using carbon dioxide and water to produce glucose and oxygen. This phenomenon is crucial for life on Earth as it provides the oxygen we breathe and serves as the foundation of the food chain. The vibrant green color of plant is due to chlorophyll, the pigment that captures sunlight. Third phenomena is the gravity. Gravity is the force that attracts two bodies towards each other, and it is responsible for keeping us grounded on Earth. It affects everything from the falling of an apple from a tree to the orbit of the planets around the sun. The strength of gravity depends on the mass of the objects and distance between them, illustrating the fundamental principles of physics that govern our universe. Fourth phenomena is the seasons. The changing seasons are a direct result of the tilt of the Earth's axis and its orbit around the Sun. As the Earth revolves, different parts receive varying amounts of sunlight, leading to seasonal changes in temperature and weather pattern. This phenomenon not only affects the climate but also influences the behavior of plants and animals, making cycles of both growth and migration. Fifth phenomena is the sound waves. Sound is produced by the vibration that travel through a medium, such as air, water, and solids. When an object vibrates, it creates pressure waves that our ears detect as sound. This phenomena is evident in everyday life, from ringing of a phone to the music we listen to. The pitch and volume of sound depend on the frequency and amplitude of the vibration, respectively. Sixth phenomena is the chemical reaction in cooking. Cooking is the practical application of chemistry, where heat causes chemical reactions that transform ingredients. For example, when baking bread, yeast ferments sugar, produces carbon dioxide that makes the dough rise. Similarly, the Maillard reaction occurs when proteins and sugar react under heat. creating the browning and flavor in roasting foods. These reactions illustrate the science behind culinary techniques. In the last conclusion of the scientific phenomena, science is not confined to laboratories or textbook. It is an integral part of our daily lives. By observing and understanding the scientific phenomena around us, we can gain a deeper appreciation for the natural world and the principles that govern it. From the water cycle to the chemistry of cooking, these phenomena enrich our experiences and enhance our knowledge of the universe.